If DaVinci Resolve is showing GPU error code 5 or you're getting a failed to perform processing error, this video will walk you through the fastest fix step by step. We're going to check your GPU settings inside Resolve, switch away from automatic detection, and then adjust a Windows setting that can interfere with playback and processing. This is one of the most common fixes for GPU-related errors, especially if Resolve is trying to use the wrong graphics processor. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, make sure you are on the Edit page in DaVinci Resolve, with your clips visible on the timeline. Starting here helps confirm that the issue is happening during normal playback or editing, not just in a project that is still loading. Once you're in the correct workspace, look at the top menu bar and click DaVinci Resolve, then choose Preferences. This is where the program keeps the key settings that control how your hardware is being used. Inside Preferences, go to the System tab and then click Memory and GPU. This section is extremely important because it tells Resolve which graphics device to use for processing. If your system has both an integrated GPU and a dedicated GPU, Resolve may sometimes choose the wrong one automatically, which can lead to performance issues, stuttering, or the GPU failed to perform processing error. Now look for GPU selection. In this list, uncheck any integrated GPU and leave only your dedicated GPU enabled. The reason we do this is simple. Integrated graphics are usually not powerful enough for heavy video processing, and they can cause Resolve to fail when it tries to handle more demanding timelines, effects, or playback. By forcing Resolve to use the dedicated card only, you give the software the strongest and most stable option available. Next, find GPU processing mode. If it is set to auto, change it manually to either CUDA or OpenCL depending on your graphics card and system compatibility. On many NVIDIA systems, CUDA is the best choice, while OpenCL may be better for other setups. The important part is to disable auto if it is enabled. Automatic switching can sometimes cause instability because Resolve may jump between GPU modes or choose a mode that does not work properly on your machine. After making those changes, click Save. Then restart DaVinci Resolve completely. This restart matters because GPU changes usually do not fully apply until the application is closed and reopened. If you skip this step, Resolve may continue using the old settings, and you might think nothing changed when in reality the new configuration just hasn't loaded yet. Once Resolve is closed, we need to check a Windows setting that can sometimes create conflicts. Open Windows Settings, go to System, then click Display, and scroll until you find Graphics. This area controls how Windows handles graphics performance and scheduling for apps, and in some cases it can interfere with how DaVinci Resolve communicates with your GPU. Inside Graphics Settings, click Change Default Graphics Settings. Then look for Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling and turn it off. This setting is designed to improve performance in some apps, but on certain systems it can actually cause problems with video editing software. Turning it off can reduce conflicts between Windows GPU management and Resolve's own GPU processing system. Now close Settings and reopen DaVinci Resolve. Go back to your project and test playback on the timeline. Scrub through a few clips, play some footage, and see whether the error appears again. If the issue is caused by incorrect GPU selection or a Windows scheduling conflict, this should give you a much more stable editing experience. In many cases, this simple combination of changes is enough to stop the GPU failed to perform processing error completely. If everything is working now, that's a great sign. Your dedicated GPU is being used properly, automatic switching has been disabled, and Windows is no longer interfering with the workflow. If the error still appears, you may need to update your GPU drivers, check for Resolve updates, or lower the workload of the project. But for most users, the steps in this video fix the problem quickly and safely. So to recap, open Preferences in DaVinci Resolve, go to System and Memory and GPU, disable the integrated GPU, set GPU processing mode manually, save and restart, then open Windows Graphics Settings and turn off Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. After that, test playback again and confirm the fix. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Resolve troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.